So, may limitations kayo ng JOWA mo. Okay lang yan. Sa research nga, may limitations din eh. May JOWA ka man o wala, kailangan mo to. Ang Scope and Delimitation of the Study. Before we go to our main topic, let's first clarify the difference between limitation and delimitation. Parang sa relasyon lang, kailangan klaro muna. So alamin natin yung pagkakaiba ng limitation sa delimitation. According to IMS blog ng St. Cloud State University, the limitations aim to narrow the scope of the study. These are choices made and boundaries set by the researcher which should be mentioned. Now let's proceed to limitations. Limitations aim to identify the potential weaknesses of the study. These are influences, shortcomings, or conditions that the researcher cannot control. So yung delimitation bilang researcher, sa umpisa pa lang siniset na natin siya. On the other hand, ito namang limitations beyond our control. Ito yung mga bagay na hindi natin inaasahan pero nangyari sa research study natin. Ganyan kasi talaga minsan, no? May mga bagay na beyond your control. Ayaw mo, pero nangyayari pa din.
Ayaw mo, pero nangyayari pa din.
Okay, another thing, saan ba inilalagay si limitations at si delimitations? Parang sa relasyon. Dapat alam mo kung saan ang lugar mo. Okay, so wag malilito at wag pagpapalitin. Si delimitation, nakasulat yan, matatagpuan yan sa chapter 1 or sometimes in the methodology section. Si limitation naman is written and mentioned into the final section of your research paper, usually dun sa results and discussions. So, ayan na, malinaw na yan. Yung difference between delimitation and limitation. Sabi nga ni Boy Abunda, di ba? Sa relasyon, walang hulaan. Dapat klaro ang lahat. Okay, so tara na. Punta na tayo sa main topic natin, ang scope of the study. The scope of the study refers to the extent to which the research area will be explored. This part also explains the parameters within which the study will be operating. Para maisulat nyo yung scope of the study, I will provide you with prompts. These are phrases na pwede nyong pansimula ng paragraph nyo. So these prompts are the following. Ayan, gamitin nyo yung mga yan. So at this point, punta naman tayo kay delimitation of the study. Delimitation of the study, this deals with the boundaries of the study. Gaya nga ng sabi natin kanina, it aims to narrow the scope of your study. Ito naman yung mga prompts na pansimula natin sa pagsulat ng paragraph ng delimitation of your research. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano naman ang ilalagay natin o ilalaman natin sa part na ito ng chapter 1? So, punta na tayo sa pinakamahalaga, yung ilalaman mo o ilalagay mo sa scope and delimitation. So, ito yung mga pwede mong ilagay, yung general purpose ng study mo, yung important details nito. Tapos, ito, napakahalaga, yung population, yung target respondents, ilan sila, yung sample size. And then, mention about the geographical location, saan mo ba i-conduct yung research study mo or taga-saan yung mga respondents mo. So, mention about the setting. At importante din na i-mention mo yung duration, yung research timeline. Anong panahon yung sakop niyang research study mo. May mga ibang researcher na sinasama nila to sa scope and delimitation, yung instrument na ginamit nila or gagamitin nila, yung sampling method, yung research design, tapos even yung financial limitation nung study nila ay isinasama nila. However, yung mga binanggit natin kanina, okay na yon. Sila yung talagang mga dapat ilagay o ilaman sa scope and delimitation. Ito na yung pinaka-aabangan nyo, ang sample natin ng scope and delimitation. Si Ma'am Ana hindi madamot. Kasi ang research paper parang pag-ibig yan. Ibinabahagi, hindi pinagdadamot. Kaya, eto na yung sample natin. Okay, scope and delimitation. Punta muna tayo sa ating research title, Peer Tutoring, Its Effects on Reading Fluency of Senior High School Students. So our scope and delimitation, the study will cover the determination of the effects of peer tutoring to reading fluency. The primary subjects of this research study will consist of the grade 12 students enrolled in academic year 2020-2021. The respondents will be limited to 10 grade 12 students who are in the Hume section of Academic Senior High School of the City of May Kawayan in the Division of May Kawayan, Bulacan. Moreover, the participants will be purposely selected by referring to the record of grades in the English subject, reading and writing. In the pretest, the participants are marked as non-fluent level 1 readers. On the other hand, the peer tutors will be composed of honor students in the same class. They are the real-life peers of the aforementioned participants. Ayan, ka-schoolers. So, simple lang, di ba? Madali lang ang part na ito ng Chapter 1. So, kung may questions ka pa, comment mo lang sa baba. Tapos, paki-JOWA naman yung channel natin. Wag puro tingin lang, wag puro views lang. Hit the subscribe button at i-like mo na rin. Okay? So, paki-JOWA yung channel natin. Wag mo jojowain yung kaklase mo o kaya yung kagrupo mo sa research. Wag muna ganyan. So, magsulat ka muna, tapusin mo muna yung research paper mo bago yan. Okay? So, bye ka-schoolers. Thank you so much. This is Ma'am Ana saying, research muna bago JOWA.